everyone, it's Tina from Landpack. So happy to see you again. And now today I'm going to show you the stick pack machine with the box pack machine for the automatic packing solution behind me. So this kind of the customized packing solution is including the stick sachet and the box. So this machinery is including the stick packing machine, sorting system, and the box machinery. So just let's show you the machinery one by one. So this one is the 4-line stick pack machinery. It's including the vacuum feeder to transfer the powder into the tank. And that one is the volumetric cup as the dosing system for the powder and granules. And that one is 4-line stick pack machinery. And that one is including the up and down to pulling field. We use the same as the touch screen, the PLC program to keep the machinery working stable and smoothly. This machinery including the laser printer to printing the date information on the film, and that one you can set up the program on the touch screen. It's including dust remover to removing the dusty after laser printing. So the stick sachet will be slipped to the conveyor belt by the docking connection and transport to the sorting conveyor belt. Over there you have the counting sensor. So if you wanted to count it 6 pieces or 20 pieces per box, and that one will be counted and push it out 6 pieces together to this conveyor belt for the box machinery. So this one is for the automatic box packing machinery. It's controlled by the Servo model. Over here is the box station. So you can put the box over here. It will be controlled by the Servo model to pick up the box by the sucker. Also, the conveyor belt is controlled by the Servo model. After push the stick sachet into the box, and this station is to close the ear, is insert the box to close box. Here is outlet, the conveyor belt. It's laser printer to printing the information on the box directly. Okay, thanks for watching. If you have any other packing machinery requirements, please find us at the website. I'm Tina. Thank you. Bye-bye.